Okay, so now I'm going to talk about chemical coughing. Um, I will tell you one of the worst things I've ever had in my life was prolonged coughing or chronic coughing. And it was horrid. I couldn't figure out why I was coughing profusely, and it would go on for a couple of months. Then it'd stop for maybe another couple of months. Then I'd go on for another couple of months, and I'd cough day, night time, anytime. It's very depressing. It's a very hard, nasty cough. I'd have to get up from my seat in my when we used to come in the office, leave my cubicle, go to the restroom, cough it all out, and it was just nonstop coughing, gagging cough, really nasty. Um, and but it this went on for, I guess, probably a good 10 years, and it's very depressing. A lot of times when you're trying to sleep, you end up coughing. And I saw many doctors, and I went to an allergist. At one point, I kept on reading online. All the resources are there, and nothing worked. And I even went to as far as seeing if removing my tonsils. Just attempting to try that. And it didn't work. And fortunately, what ultimately how I was able to root cause it was it actually ended up being a blessing in disguise. But we moved from house, we sold our home, then we moved to Round Rock, and the move I don't think had anything to do with it being in a different city. But what it was I noticed when I moved to Round Rock, I noticed I stopped coughing. And most people would have dismissed it. Oh, well, you know what? There's something in the air in Austin that was making me cough. But that turned out not to be the case. And what I ultimately found out was, you know what? I wondering if this. I used to steam clean a lot, and I'm wondering if the chemicals in the steam cleaner is making me cough. And as it turns out, that was true. So almost a decade of just constantly coughing, I was able to root cause it, and just a little bit of luck on my side. And what it was we used to have this dog, and this dog, we let him out in the backyard, go potty, and then come back in. And I thought he was bringing in something outside I was allergic to. And so I would constantly steam clean the carpet, and I would do it with the chemicals, right? And I unfortunately, the more I coughed, the more chemicals I put in. And as it turns out, that was all along. And knock on wood, but ever since I've moved to Round Rock, I haven't coughed at all. And when I steam clean my carpet, I don't use chemicals. I just do the hot water. Um, and there really is no reason to use the chemicals. The reason why I say that is because the chemical is kind of like a bleach. It kills germs and things like that. I mean, bacteria and most some living things, right? Well, you can do that with other natural ingredients, but I just use the steam itself. You could try a vinegar, I heard, but it's not a very pleasant smell. But you can look up things you can do. But my thing is, ever since that happens, I avoid chemical like the plague. I avoid using chemicals if I can help it on anything, and I'm now more conscious of how much chemicals to put in. If it goes airborne, it's gonna get in your lungs. It's gonna get in your house. You're gonna breathe it. So big advice is you need to be aware of what chemical coughing is, um, and remember why we cough in the first place. We're coughing because the lung has got something in it that it doesn't like, and it's trying to expel it. By you coughing, is trying to get it out, whether it's something you're allergic to, whatever it is. He's trying to get it out, and so that's why we cough. And you have to be very careful with air quality. It's the leading cause of death in the world. I have a whole bunch of air purifiers in my home, but that's a different video. But going back to the coughing, um, that's kind of like you have to be aware how harmful chemical can do to your body. In fact, I'll go on to say, like, the biggest population of cancer is Vietnam and Hispanic people. And I think in Mexico, not Hispanic people, Mexico. So I think in Mexico they have a high cancer rate, and I attribute that because when I hire people work on my home, they usually come over from Mexico, and I noticed that they don't really put enough face mask and things like that. So they're dealing with chemicals, dust all day, and they're breathing all that in. And I told one guy, I told him, man, you should really use a mask or a face shield or something because you're breathing in a lot of the cement that's floating in the air. And he's like, no, 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 I got it, I got it, I got it. So it tells, and all the while he's coughing and stuff like that. So, and he does this for a living. So, what you breathe is very important. And avoid the chemicals if you can. Um, Chemical coughing is not fun at all. So just be aware of that.